So there is the thistle flower, and you can look at the leaves. If you see this video, you're watching this video and you know what milk thistle looks like, what type of thistle is this thistle? I know it's a thistle bush, but I'm not sure what type of thistle it is. But check out that bee, that happy bee. I'm so happy to see it.
Hi guys, welcome to the Petal Place property. I am so happy you guys are here. I am so happy that you are supporting my channel. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome. How are you? Wagwan in Jamaican patois. No, I just ran outside here because I saw the weather forecast that it was supposed to rain, right? But I was trying to get some editing done before I came out. However, one of my plans today is to apply some plant food, and I like to apply plant food either when I am going to water the plants or when it's going to rain, right? And guess what? It just started raining, and so I had to cut the editing. And I am now outside. I am going to try to get some plant food applied to the, you got it, the pumpkin slash squash slash corn slash peas slash bean patch. And then I am gonna go around to some other areas of the garden to see if I can get to apply as much as possible before the rain really breaks for it. Let's hope we do get the rain. If not, then I'm gonna have to go through and water the plants. But yeah, let me just go and grab the plant food, and then we are gonna get started. Yeah, looks like it's really gonna rain, guys. Okay, so I have some tripping hazards right in the front here. I am going to move them to the back because that's where they're heading anyways, because I already have cardboard down in the front here. So let's go ahead and move them. Guys, I am getting some blooms on the nasturtiums that I put in recently. If you saw that video, I put the nasturtiums in around the pumpkin patch because I want to be able to get some bees over here and some other pollinators to get the pumpkin patch pollinated, right? It wouldn't make sense having vines and flowers and no fruit. Now, I put this jacket on because I wanted it to act like a rain jacket, but really, it's a bit warm. I'm taking it off. So not only are we supposed to be getting rain, but there's a warning for thunderstorm and hail. See what I'm talking about? Like I'm trying to pollinate some. As I speak, the rain is coming down around me. I'm sure you guys can hear it. But check this out. There are a few bees I have picked off because they did not get pollinated, and so they are not surviving. And a few of them I have actually hand pollinated myself. So I'm gonna have to start doing that until I see more pollinators around, right? Because apparently, because of the heavy rains that we've been getting, that's one of the reasons why we don't have so much bees around. Wow, these are some huge raindrops. And I'm still gonna go ahead and apply the plant food. So stick with me, guys. I appreciate your company. What I really wanted to do was put the plant food in some compost and then apply it like that, but I'm just gonna get the plant food in because I can't be bothered right now to go get the compost from the front to the back. It's gonna take too much time, so I'm gonna go work with what I can do right now. Now I should tell you guys that this year is the first time I'm really applying plant food, because I generally don't feed my plants. I just let them be like we usually do back home in Jamaica when my parents. Whoa, look at that. There is a bee right there, guys. That means some more bees are coming in. That is such a happy sight. That's a good thing. That is really a good thing. So good. I should show you guys. Let's see. This is actually a thistle plant. No, I don't know for sure. I don't think it is a milk thistle because the leaves look different, but the flowers actually look very similar to milk thistle, but I'll show it to you guys. So there is the thistle flower, and you can look at the leaves. If you see this video, you're watching this video and you know what milk thistle looks like. What type of thistle is this thistle? I know it's a thistle bush, but I'm not sure what type of thistle it is. But check out that bee, that happy bee. I'm so happy to see it. Guys, pollinators are so important in our gardens. So whatever we can do to attract pollinators, to keep them alive, to help them to multiply, it's a good thing. Now our lawn is chock full of clovers that we did not plant. And so we keep it that way. We don't have a problem with having a clover lawn mixed in with grass. And so yeah, the clovers do attract the bees also. But let's get back to feeding my pumpkins and squash. Now this patch here is very dense, so I have to give it a lot of food because I can see some yellowing in the leaves, which means that they need more nitrogen. Another casualty of non-pollination. But it's gonna get better. I have faith it's gonna get better. It is gonna get better. It has to, right? So I think if I want to hand pollinate, what I'll have to do is come out early in the mornings, because that's usually when the flowers opens up, and then I can get the male ones and pollinate the female flowers. But I'm pretty happy, guys. I'm pretty happy with the squash patch. It's looking good. While I'm at it, I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some of the plant food around the fruit trees.
And I'm still going to come in with some manure later on. Not manure, compost. Compost. I'm still going to come in with some compost later on.
Okay, so I hear lots of chairs pulling upstairs, guys. So I'm going to head on over to the other section of the garden and apply some more plant food. So let's go. What's the saying? When thunder roars, get indoors. Yeah. So now I'm wondering if I should take the hear that thunder? Wondering if I should take the chance to do more feeding of the plants, or I should just stay indoors. Because usually they say where there's thunder, lightning is not too far off. And we have a lot of trees around here. I was really hoping to get some gardening done today, but I don't mind the rain. The rain's a good thing. It is such a good thing, because it means then that I don't have to go around and water everything by hand. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the garage door, so if anything I can just slip into the garage. And so if I'm closer to the greenhouse door, I'll run in the greenhouse. If I'm closer to the garage door, I'll run in the garage. So let's go, guys. I'm gonna get some stuff done here. Oh, my goji berry there looks a little yellow. I think I have fed all the plants I want to feed. Now let the rain do its thing. Now we're inside the greenhouse, friends. I've told you before that I don't have light in here. And so because it's pretty dim outside, it's overcast. You just heard the thunder, right? I haven't seen any lightning yet. But still, I'm happy that I'm done with outside, because it's not safe to be outside when there is thunder, because wherever there's thunder, lightning usually follows. And so especially when you're around anything that could conduct electricity into you to hurt you, or to, you get what I mean? Avoid being outdoors, right? When the thunder roars, get indoors. And so we are indoors, and I am just watering these a bit, because last night I was supposed to give them some more water before I went in. I have a little experiment here that I am conducting, and I'm going to keep it a secret, and then I will let you guys know the results. Now, whether or not it works, I will let you guys know, right? But for now, I won't tell you what's in this basin with all these pots. I'm just going to take it and put it on the shelves by the window where I usually put them, right? Where the shelves are, so that they can get some light. Okay, I'll put them over here. And believe me, I'm still buying seeds. Yeah, I bought some sage. And this one is alyssum, sweet alyssum. And black seeded lettuce. The sage I really needed. So I'm going to get some sage in the garden. I'm going to think about where I want to put it before I go outside, so I can do a quick job of it. But I'm not going to take you guys with me. I'm going to let you stay here in the greenhouse where it is safe, right? Don't take the chance. When thunder roars, get indoors. I think I know just the place I want to put it. So I'm gonna dump all the seeds there, because I want that whole area to have sage. So I'm gonna write up a little tag. Now I just put the sage in, and I got back in safely. But I'm gonna be in the greenhouse. I'll be doing some stuff in the greenhouse, so I would prefer to be out here if the hail starts, so I can capture some. Oh, look what just came up on the screen. Severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, so gotta take it seriously, guys. So anyways, I think I may go inside, finish up my editing, and then come back outside in the greenhouse, because I'll be able to see more from the greenhouse that I can capture to share with you guys in case it does hail, right? Thank you guys so much for being here. Thanks for your support on my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate your subscription. Thank you so much for hitting that subscription button. Please like, leave a comment, share with somebody, because I share with you guys, and I appreciate when you guys share with other people, because we share because we care, right? Remember now, dare to be different, follow your own star. Don't let anyone tell you who you are. You are the best interpreter of yourself. You know who you are, right? And everybody may have an opinion, but the only opinion that matters for you to keep going, for you to keep pushing, is the opinion that you have of yourself. I will see you in the next video.